What do you think of our company?
I think it's pretty good. It's very, very good. I'm so happy to be here. I have to witness by myself the process of making all the material from starting to the end. And I really appreciate that.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Looking forward to our cooperation.
Oh, yes. I'm waiting for you to send me a PI so I can place my order.
Okay,
yes,
thank
can't
you.
wait for it.
Thank you.
Welcome.